A short commentary about hopelessness in chronic conditions, especially after seeing, well, just really watching the intro of that one video with the morticians. Yeah. Anyways, this guy has, it looks like he has elephantitis on one leg, and he shows it.
2년 전부터 다리가 붓기 시작해서 이래요. 실례가 안 되면 좀 보여주실 수 있어요? 네.
This is in Korea. So look at his leg.
아프진 않으세요? 아프긴 해요. 왜냐면 다리를 가끔씩 송곳으로 찌르면서 아플 때가 있다 보니까 발등 위에
But here's the thing: is that if he has wife and kids, and she still sticks around, that's amazing, and it gives me hope, and that I'll find someone even with how fucked up I am. Yeah, it's about attitude and gratitude. We have become so separated from the realities of life, and in this virtual projection, this transverse Mercator projection of the lawnmower man. And it's like I'm just getting into the middle of this, and I know that some people in the tech world probably love Lawnmower Man, but it's just like the Hunger Games or 1984 or similar other dystopian movies or whatever. It's not supposed to be a manual. It's not supposed to be a manual for how to deal with life. Let's see. Where are they? It's in my history here. Videos. Oh wait, it's not there. It's in. There we go. Recently. I'm having. I'm having a bit of frustration right now. Okay, where are they? I just looked them up. So there's one, Catlin. Yeah. Anyways, I'll find them and I'll tag them. There it is. Are you dying to know? That's them. Yeah. Keep that thing away from me. I'm still alive. Oh, geez. I can't. It was like the taboo one, but nonetheless, there's fates worse than death, and we can assign ourselves or resign ourselves to prisons of our own design.